Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect QuickBooks to Clover. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. Alright, and once you've done that, we will do the same for QuickBooks. And from here, all you have to do is sign in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in QuickBooks, just find a plan that's right for you. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you are all set. Now, once you have access to both of your accounts in QuickBooks to Clover, it will give you a lot of advantages for businesses, particularly those in retail or hospitality industries, because number one, the integration between QuickBooks and Clover automates the process of transferring sales data, including transaction, taxes, and discounts from Clover POS to QuickBooks. Now, obviously, this streamlines accounting processes and reduces the need for manual data entry, saving time and minimizing errors. Now, when you click on the dashboard of your QuickBooks, just hover to the left side panel and click on Apps. And from here, obviously, we need to sync the Clover, because syncing sales data directly from Clover to QuickBooks, businesses can gain access to real-time financial insights and would allow you to monitor your cash flow, revenue trends, and expenses, empowering informed decision-making. Now, when you click on the See More apps, what will happen is, as you can see, this is the Clover by Commerce Sync. It can automate the transfer of Clover sales activity to QuickBooks in Zero. Now, here's the pricing. If you have, if you're interested to go deep, right? It's unlimited for the price of $28 per month, and it's for the expert plan. It's gonna be $53 per month, and these are the reviews, transparent and honest, for you to read and understand. That could help you make an informed decisions, right? Now, in terms of the similar apps in the same category, if you're interested to learn more, they have the WooCommerce, Sift, Analytics, and a lot more. But of course, I suggest you go here and the Clover. And from here, all you have to do is just click on the options right here and integrate that to your QuickBooks. Now, if by any chance you are not, you're having second thoughts on integrating Clover to your QuickBooks, you might want to schedule a call and contact this email address and have the sales professional book a demo for you. Now, another great option is go to Cinder, because from here, you can connect Clover plus QuickBooks and seamlessly synchronize Clover and QuickBooks Online. You can automate your Clover QuickBooks Online workflow with the help of this Cinder integration. I am using Cinder because you can have an access to accurate P&L reports and instant synchronization of your Clover account to QuickBooks. So basically, here's how it works. Connect your Clover and QuickBooks Online to Cinder accounting software and unlock a multitude of features for a harmonized financial workflow. You can customize, you can personalize Cinder's functionalities to align perfectly with your business requirements. And of course, you can reconcile and enjoy streamlined bookkeeping and smooth reconciliation for enhanced clarity and precision in your financial records. So I suggest you go here at Cinder, and this is what you can get with Clover and QuickBooks integration. If you're interested, just try Cinder now. Click on that. And from here, you can try Cinder for a 15-day free trial. You can sign it with your Intuit, your Xero if you have your Google account, or you can continue with your business or working email. All right, and I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.